Hey, how's it going everyone? I am 328 and welcome back to another origami video. I have been uploading gameplays for quite some time, but I realized you all wanted origami. So here I am back at origami again. Today we are making Google Pixel 4a from paper. So without wasting any more time, let's start. You just need 3 sheets. They can be A3 or A4, but I recommend using A3 to get the perfect size. In this video I will be using A4 just to show you that it can be made with A4 too. First let's take one of those sheets. What you need to do is fold it in half vertically. We are doing this to get a line in between. Once we fold it, make sure it's accurate. After opening it, we will get a line in between. Now aligning with the line, we will fold the corners, all 4 corners, up and down. Just like that, and now all our 4 corners are folded. It will look something like that. Now let's proceed to the next step. We have to fold the edges to the middle point, the line we made earlier, like that. Make sure it is properly folded, and it would look something like that. Now what we need to do is take this till here, like fold it in half. The same with the other side. Now it would look something like this. The next step is a little hard. Make sure to follow it properly. We need to divide this into 3 parts. Just like that. Now we need to fold this triangle backwards. Only one side, not both triangles. Only the triangle on one side. Like that. It would look similar to this. Now what we need to do next is take this part and put it into this part, into the pockets. There are 2 pockets in this. We have to put it in them. This one is a little hard. You need to follow it properly. Just like that, perfectly. If you think its width is too much, you can fold it from the sides a little. Now take the second sheet and take the part we just made, and also take a pencil or pen. We need to mark the width of this on the width of the sheet, like that. Now we need to take the sheet and fold it from that point. fold it completely in that width. And it's done. It would look something like this. Let's put it aside for a minute. Now we need to take the third sheet. This time we will take that part and mark its length on the other paper's width. It would probably be the half of the sheet, so you just have to fold the sheet in half horizontally. Just like that. Make sure it's accurate. Now take all three parts. First let's take the long part, and we need to put it inside the below pocket right here. We will put it in this and take it out from the other side. Just like that. The lower side should be very small and the upper side should be long. And now we will fold the lower side this type and put it inside like that. Alright, now it's time for this part. We have to fold the extra part of this into the pocket. It's a little hard. Perfect. Now it would look like this. Now let's take the third sheet part, and what we have to do is put it inside the space between the second sheet part and the first sheet part. Just like that. Make sure the both sides are equal. Now fold one side to the back. Fold it this way. Just like that. Now fold the second side till here and put it inside the space. just like that. Make sure it's accurate. And it's done. Perfect. It will look something like this. So this would be the screen and that would be the back side. So now it's time to design. So here it is. It's a little small because I used A4, but it would be fine if we used A3. So we have the front camera, back camera, fingerprint, logo and the buttons. So that's it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. If you have any suggestions for new videos or anything else, make sure to join the 3Twit Discord server. You can also get a shout out if you are in the server. Today's shout out goes to 3Twit Spidey. Check out his channel on YouTube, link is in the description. Alright then, take care. See you in the next one.